The deep freeze has finally lifted. Winter is over, and now it is time for the woodworker to slowly return to its garage workspace. Apprehensive at first, though, as it is unsure if it will remember how to actually do anything or use the tools it collected last season. But before it can even begin addressing those problems, it must first tackle the sad state of its environment. The winter months have been harsh to its once glorious surroundings. The most obvious problem is the overwhelming amount of clutter. There are broken or unused toys from the offspring. At one point, it probably imagined it would fix these. Many tools spend the warm months in outdoor storage, but during the winter, they intrude on the garage space. That certainly won't work here any longer. And all across the space, there are remnants of the few times during the winter the woodworker did bravely venture into the garage. There are scraps of offcuts scattered about, accessories that were abandoned, possibly due to frostbite setting in, random pieces of wood that at one point must have had significance, but now their meaning is no longer clear. Tools from household projects that never quite made it back to their proper place. And we can't forget the woodworker's mate. During the winter months, the mate often stocks up on supplies it scavenges from the internet for future use during the spring. These also seem to find their way into the garage. It's anyone's guess if these things will ever leave the garage at this point, but the woodworker knows far better than to move these. It's a long road ahead for our brave woodworker, but with some ingenuity and a little hard work, he might just overcome these challenges and get back to creating some pretty okay YouTube woodworking videos.